Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to access Google Gemini AI. Gemini is a generative artificial intelligence chatbot developed by Google. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to access Gemini AI. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure you are connected to the internet. And you can easily download the Gemini AI app on your phone from the Play Store or App Store. On Android, you need to go to the Play Store. On the search bar, you can simply type Gemini AI. You'll see an app named Google Gemini. You need to install it in your phone. And after the download is complete, you will see this open button. I've already downloaded it in my phone. You can directly launch the app from here. So tap on open. You can now chat with the AI or ask your questions. If you don't want to use the app, you can also access the Gemini AI from your browser. You go to the browser. On the search bar, you can type in Gemini AI. Now go to the link of gemini.google.com. Here you can see the link at the first, so tap on it. And there you go. You can even access it from your browser. So that's it. That's how you can access Google Gemini AI. It's a very simple process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.